It's very good afternoon. Hearty welcome to the second episode of Interaction with the CEOs. So, welcome once again, the CEOs as well as our members. And as I was saying earlier, the three CEOs are from different types of companies and backgrounds. Mr. Sunil Mathur, CEO and MD of Siemens Limited, CEO and MD of Adani Transmission, Mr. Anil Sardana, and Mr. Anil Gupta, CEO MD of a local homegrown company, Hevels, already got into multinational activities. So,
welcome Mr. Sunil Mathur, Mr. Anil Sardana, and Mr. Anil Rai Gupta. Sir, thank you all for accepting this invitation and making it to this EMA event today for CEO panel discussion. In fact, one thing that has happened to EMA fraternity in the lockdown is that we all have come together and in large numbers. Mr. Mathur, with so much of global and domestic exposure, I would like to start today's discussion with you. And just to understand, if you can throw some light on what is the broad economic scenario that we are looking at. I mean, the lockdown in India is over. A lot of places across the world it is over, but it is still phasing in and phasing out. Also, from a local and a global perspective. And what are those two, three indicators that we should be looking at and put our parameters when we take our decisions going forward?
I think the situation globally is, to be honest, not very different from what it has been or what it is over here. If you look at the global forecasts of GDP, pre-COVID, and this is around January, February of this year, the global forecast for the GDP growth was around 2.5%. Currently, they are projecting minus 5.5%. So obviously, there has been a major slowdown that they expect in this calendar year, and this is minus 5.5% as on 31st of December calendar year. But on the other hand, they are looking for a growth of 4.5% in 2021 then. So there is a turnaround that they are expecting in 2021. I believe companies in India will concentrate on three C's. First C is cash. Everyone is going to be looking at conserving cash in the short term. Everyone is going to be looking at conserving capex in the short term. Nobody is going to expand except in the area of infrastructure, the large infrastructure companies and government. But when you have got capacity utilizations which are below 65, 68%, you don't go in for fresh expansions. And finally, in the short term, everybody is going to become much more conscious of costs.
So thank you for showing all the opportunities available to the entrepreneurs in today's time. Friends, we have a very young and dynamic speaker whom I am going to introduce, Mr. Anil Rai Gupta. He is the chairman and managing director of Havels India Limited.
I think the topic for today, cruising through these difficult times. Sunil also mentioned that during these times you need to find the right opportunities, and I think while the whole world is fighting a big war against one enemy, sometimes it becomes difficult to think too much on the economic side because your humanitarian thing comes in the fore. But then again, as corporate leaders, you are responsible for running an organization, and that becomes your true karma for managing through these difficult times. Going forward, a lot will change, and I believe 3 or 4 things, or I would say 5 A's that a company can look at during this time is how they can automate their company, how they can make their company agile. So availability, agility, affordability, accessibility, and automation. These are the 5 A's we can think about, and especially again as a company which is more distributed in nature, I would say availability and accessibility of the consumer is becoming a key factor going forward.
So coming to you, Mr. Sardana, we all talk about coming back from a negative GDP to positive, and infrastructure is something that will lead us out of this. We are facing two challenges. Obviously, there is no dearth in terms of the need for infrastructure in India, but there is definitely a challenge in terms of how we'll finance it and really make it happen and execute.
Let me give you a very quick pen picture in terms of how COVID times will impact us in future and how would we have to deal with the situation. Well, we all know there is nothing which is hidden from anyone that the demand profile during these COVID times changed quite different than what it normally is. While the overall demand reduced by about 25% across the country, but more important part is that close to about 70 to 80% reduction happened in commercial and industrial demand, and close to about 55% jump took place in the residential demand. This period has shown very clearly that internet is going to be the center stage of every guest thing, and we will have more and more things which will start to therefore be automated and which will start to see. We are, in any case, all of us are blessed that we are living in times when you have aspects like IoT, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, data analytics, all of that really blooming into something very significant. And it's our good luck that we are going to see all of that really coming to the help of mankind.
This shows the capability of the three CEO speakers today, that they have made the program so interesting. And we got a glimpse of global scenario, we got a glimpse of domestic scenario, and we got an overview from our sector. That was great. I am personally thankful to all the three speakers, Mr. Sunil Mathur, Anil Sardana, Anil Gupta ji. You have really made it a day for us with your valuable inputs. Thank you very much.